Cleaning and organizing can feel overwhelming, but it's a vital part of maintaining a comfortable and productive space. Today, I want to share some practical vocabulary and phrases that will help you talk about cleaning and organizing in English. Let's start with the basics. When we talk about cleaning, we often use words like dusting, vacuuming, and mopping. Dusting refers to removing dust from surfaces like shelves or tables. You might say, I need to dust the living room today. Vacuuming is about using a vacuum cleaner to pick up dirt and debris from carpets or floors. You could say, I vacuum the carpets once a week. Mopping is for hard floors, and you might say, I mop the kitchen floor every Friday. Now, let's move on to organizing. This involves arranging items in a way that makes sense and is easy to find. Common phrases include decluttering, sorting, and labeling. Decluttering means getting rid of things you no longer need. You might say, I spent the weekend decluttering my closet. Sorting is about categorizing items, like putting all your books on one shelf and your clothes in another. You could say, I sorted my paperwork into different folders. Labeling is a great way to keep things organized. You might say, I label all my storage boxes, so I know what's inside. When discussing your cleaning routine, you can use phrases like, I usually clean on Saturdays, or I have a cleaning schedule. A cleaning schedule helps you stay on track and ensures you don't forget any tasks. You might say, I follow a cleaning schedule to keep my home tidy. Let's talk about some tools and supplies. Common cleaning supplies include all-purpose cleaner, sponges, and broom. An all-purpose cleaner is versatile and can be used on various surfaces. You might say, I use an all-purpose cleaner for the kitchen counters. Sponges are great for scrubbing surfaces, and you could say, I always keep a few sponges under the sink. A broom is essential for sweeping floors, and you might say, I sweep the kitchen every day. When you're finished cleaning, you might want to express how satisfying it is. You could say, it feels great to have a clean and organized space. Or, I love how fresh everything looks after I clean. Finally, let's touch on some tips for staying organized. You can say, I try to put things back in their place after using them. This helps prevent clutter from building up. Another tip is to do a little bit every day. You might say, I spend 10 minutes each day tidying up. This makes the task less daunting and keeps your space looking good. By using these phrases and tips, you'll be able to confidently talk about cleaning and organizing in English. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels good to live in. Happy cleaning!